What up, guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing TimeOS. TimeOS is a productivity companion, an AI productivity companion that helps you summarize your day and organize relevant information. So, just like I talked to you guys about Notion AI, this itself is another software that does it. And I don't want to waste you guys' time too much in talking about this. So, let's go right into it. First things first, you're going to click on Try TimeOS if this is your first time trying it out. I have a link to it in the description below, so you guys can check that out and you log in with either your Google account or your regular email account, and then you're gonna come over to a place like this. So it shows summarize your meetings. All meetings on my calendar, only meetings I host, I'll add it manually. Typically, you want to go with what is recommended by the software, so we're gonna go with all meetings on my calendar. Click to keep going. So you want to choose your meeting language. Some people may not speak English, and if that is you, you can always pick the language that is suited to you that you host your meetings in, and the notes also. So what you want the notes to be and what language you want. So if you want it to be in Arabic, if you want it to be in Chinese, Dutch, whatever, you can always make it that way. And yeah, let's continue. You click on this black arrow. So auto share AI notes. So you can send them to no one, only attendees, all invitees. For right now, I don't really have anybody, so I'm just going to keep it at no one. And then you can have, once you get over here, if this tutorial is not enough for you to get started on your own, you can always watch their walkthrough 5-minute video, or you can join the Slack community. So I'm just going to click on Take Me Home. And this is what it looks like. It looks like your dashboard. And you can come in here and let's click on Customize. English, context, magic summary. Wait, English. So this is where you pretty much putting in summaries and stuff. So you can enhance your summaries right here by providing your AI with additional context. So if you're a person who is into data analytics, for example, you can do stuff like brainstorming analytics for such and such client, things of that nature. If you take a look at the settings right here, which are preferences, you can click on your calendar and you could be able to pick the calendars that you want. So right now I have it set to mine. You can also pick other ones that are included in your Google Calendar. So whatever account you use to sign in with is typically just gonna auto sync with the calendar. So right now I'm signing with Google, so you give me that. You can also pick other ones too. You have AI meetings. So you can change your AI's name. So this AI itself will be in the meetings with you, and you can do it right here, invite your AI. So you can invite it to join all the meetings, or you can add it manually. So you can just go ahead and add it in there. So you can put let me put it join all meetings. Let me see what it gives me. Error updating your AI, please try again later. So this is something that the team has to take care of. Set meeting language. So you can select the fallback language, English. That's what a lot of people speak. When should your AI attendee join at the scheduled time? 2 minutes early, 5 minutes early. So you have to just remember things like this. You can always change this out. This is an image. Customize AI notes. I just showed you guys that. Sharing AI notes. So you can choose to share it only with the attendees or no one or all invitees, because not everybody invited to a meeting is going to show up. So you can choose to only show up to the attendees, the AI notes to the attendees. You have a mobile recorder. So you can come in here and put in your phone number, and it's going to send it over to WhatsApp, and it's pretty much going to be able to record your voice. That's what it does. Right now, it's in beta mode, so you kind of have to be careful with this. Then you have Slack huddles, so you can come here and enter your Slack URL, and it's going to be able to transcribe all your meetings directly from Slack, which is pretty good. A lot of people tend to have a lot of the Slack huddles, so you can come here and put in your Slack URL. So you can also invite your AI to join your Slack also. Integrations. They have different integrations. It directly integrates with anything, all the Google suites pretty much. And then they have for Microsoft Teams, Slack, Notion, like I showed you guys, Salesforce, Monday.com, Asana, Trello, ClickUp, Todoist, Jira, Linear, HubSpot, Outlook, which is same to Microsoft, Airtable, Coda. And you can also auto sync TimeOS to database template in Notion. So if you have a Notion account, you can always sync it directly here. And they also have your AI reminders right here. So when a meeting starts, show instant brief 15 minutes before each meeting. So you get briefed in seconds on meeting agenda, because they tend to put each meeting agenda there, so you'll be able to know. Email me when my AI attendee fails to join meetings. So this tool itself is pretty much here just to help you with meetings and transcribing them and stuff. So it's pretty much your own AI personal assistant for meetings. You can share feedback right here in case there's a problem with the tool. I'm just gonna X this out. You can refer a friend and you can schedule right here. So you can claim your username, and this link will allow you to allow guests to schedule on your general availability in the next 14 days. So for all those of you who are like consultants, you can use that. And so to, set it up in such a way in which the AI knows and will be able to join the meeting. Also, you have notes right here, but right now there are no notes because there's no meeting right now. And yeah, that's just what I want to show you guys so far about TimeOS. They have a pretty good interface, which is nice. So let's take a look at their pricing. If I click on pricing, they have for free, they have pro, and they have business. Let's go with the monthly. So you get up to 10 AI meetings, and AI meeting notes in 60 plus languages, AI powered follow up emails that sound just like you, gallery of AI assistant background images, smart scheduling links, 15 plus integrations, up to 10 instant briefs, timely reminders to join meetings right on time, access your calendar and notes from any tab, and which you have to install the Chrome extension for. And then you customize your AI notes using ready-made meeting templates. So you can try free, right? Free forever, which is a pretty good deal. Or you can go with $29 per month one, but you get unlimited AI meetings. So if you're a person who's into a business or you have a job that requires constant meetings, this works for you. Unlimited instant briefs, 100% customizable AI assistant, priority support, access to their Slack community, and unlimited storage for their meeting notes. And then also have the business for $39 per person per month. So unified billing, 1 year price guarantee, SOC 2, team workspace, manage user permissions, workspace auto sharing, collaborative team features. If I'm going to pay, I'll pay for it to $9 a month one. And if I don't want to pay, I'll just go with the free version. Either one works. If you want to learn how to use AI tools to enhance your business, I have a link in the description below to a free guide that can help you with that. And also, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. That'll be pretty nice. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. And make sure you guys share this video because I'm trying to get to 4,000 hours of watch time. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next video.